Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S24 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and here we've got some options which are currently inactive, so let's start with tapping on auto set time and tap on off. Now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping, confirm it with OK, the same situation with the time, and confirm it. It will be immediately applied. Here we've got the time format, just tap on the switcher to turn off the automatic option for the local default, so we can either set the 12-hour format, which is right now applied, or a 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see it will be immediately set. Again, the time zone, just tap on this switcher, tap on select time zone, and here we've got the full list of available ones, so find yours and tap on it, and again it will be immediately applied. And here you can decide whether you want to use the dual clock on the lock screen, so it's totally up to you. Alright, so that was the manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on this switcher here, this one here, and tapping on use network provided time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.